There's been a big surprise in the closely watched case of Ebony Parker, an assistant school principal in Virginia. She had been on trial for allegedly ignoring warning signs before a 6-year-old student shot and wounded a teacher back in 2023. But now a judge has dismissed the charges. Shanelle Kaul has followed this case and joined us now. Shanelle, good morning. This is a very unusual case.
Hey, Major, good morning. Yes, it is extremely rare for a school administrator to be charged in a case like this. Last year, the teacher who was shot, Abby Zwerner, won a $10 million civil suit against Parker after a jury ruled the former assistant principal was negligent leading up to the incident. But with a higher burden of proof in this criminal trial, the charges here against Parker didn't even make it to the jury.
There is no precedent for what's before the court.
As Judge Rebecca Robinson read her decision Thursday,
This is not a crime.
Ebony Parker broke down in tears. Her attorneys calling this a landmark ruling.
It was just a relief for her.
A day earlier, the courtroom was shown emotional video of Parker speaking just days after a first grader shot and wounded teacher Abby Zwerner at Rich Neck Elementary School in Newport News, Virginia.
Miss Warner never came to me and said anything about her feeling that the student had a record or that she felt unsafe. She didn't say it.
I told her specifically that the student seemed to be off already that day and in a violent mood.
On Tuesday, Zwerner told the court she reported the student's behavior to Parker before the shooting and later was told by another staff member the child was armed. The prosecution said multiple school employees also warned Parker about the gun, but claimed Parker refused to have the child searched.
He was holding a gun, the student, and it was pointed right at me, and then I was shot.
Parker's defense attorneys argued other school employees, including Zwerner, could have done more to prevent the shooting after hearing the child had a gun.
You could have removed him from the presence of his other classmates. Is that correct?
In hindsight, yes, I could have.
CBS News legal contributor Jessica Levinson.
The judge's decision to dismiss this case after the prosecution rests is highly unusual. I think there's an argument that if, in fact, a case is novel and it's gone this far, that maybe that's actually a case that the community, that the jury should hear and weigh in on.
And the family of Abby Zwerner released a statement after the judge's decision, saying they're happy the ordeal is over, adding they hope administrators here are held accountable if a similar situation happens in the future. Now, after the shooting, the 6-year-old's mother was also convicted on state felony child neglect and federal weapons charges.